Everybody. Looks like going live to my page is actually working, so that's cool. Um, so today we're going to dive into how to leverage communications for team events, right? Especially if you're in doTERRA land or any sort of network marketing, when you have things that change, whether it be a training or an education event or a workshop, any of that, right? It's important to be able to quickly and easily get that information out to everybody that you need to talk to. Um, because how many times have you guys been in there in a group chat or something and you're getting the same question over and over? Or you have like 20 people asking you the same question. Hey, what's the link for this event? What's the link for that? Right. So you can save yourself a lot of time and back and forth by leveraging Google Calendar. All right. So what we're going to do today is we're going to dive into how to set up the calendar and how to get it synced to your phone. For those of you who are new, my name is Colleen McCartney, and I am the Holistic Tech Coach. And I help people deal with automation and making so they can get back to running their business, as well as mind, body, spirit, a business connection. Because if your mind's not in the right place and you're not feeling great, you're not going to show up to your business very well. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you're going to need to open up a Chrome browser. From here, you can click on the Google waffle and open up Calendar. Now, let me go ahead and hide all of my calendars so that display this only. Okay, this way you're not seeing a million bajillion things because my calendar is crazy time. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and on the left-hand side under other calendars, you can hit plus. And then you're going to create new calendar. All right. And then I will call this team event demo. Right. And you can even have a description. This is the description of our calendar. It's used for our team events, so you know what's going on. And then click, you can choose your time zone and then click create calendar. All right. So now, where we go? We go back here and we will see team event demo. Woo! And and you can, on the right hand side, you can click the 3 dots and you can actually change the color. So let's make it green. So now when I create an event, intro to essential oils, and then I come down here, I select the calendar I want it to be on, right? For this purpose, we're going to put it on team event demo. And for location, now you can click make it a Zoom meeting. However, I want to point out when you do that, it will make a unique Zoom link. So if you are using, like for myself, I use my Zoom room. That's the keyboard shortcut key I use. And if you want to know how to do that, check out my other video called Keyboard Shortcuts. If you go to my Making Tech Simple group, we have all of that info there for you. All right. And then you got to decide whether you want to be busy or free. Very important if you're using Calendly, which I have done a number of videos on, because if you say that you are free, Calendly will still book time for you. But if you are busy, it will not. And default visibility. So this one, if you're going to make it a subscribable calendar, I typically put it as public. This way everybody can see all the details. If this is the calendar for yourself, you may want to have it private or default. Here's where you can add on guests, but if you're, again, making it a subscribable calendar, you don't need to. You can have more options, adding in notifications, does it repeat, all that stuff. And in the description, if you have any links, like I go live, I have my document that has all of my tracking of what I'm going live, that all goes in there. So now you see I have a green event. I'm actually going to put it over here so it's in the future. So now that we've made the team calendar, we've made the shareable, and we made an event on there, we're going to go to sharing and settings. So if you scroll down here, we're going to make this available to the public. right? And then what we want is to get shareable link. Now, when I have this link, anyone who has this link can click on it and subscribe to it. Now, the caveats are they have to click on it on a desktop or laptop computer, right? Clicking on that from your phone will not do the same. You need to click on it from a computer. Then, if you're using an Android device, it will naturally show up because you already are using the Google Apps, Google Calendar app. Now, if you are not and you're using an iPhone, there is a few extra steps you need to do. Well, actually, let me show you two things real quick. We're going to hop onto my phone. So, if you are using the Google Calendar app, what you'll do is you'll open up the app and then you'll hit the left arrow and go into the settings here and you will select the calendar you want to see. See, theme event demo. Isn't that neat? Now, if you are using the iPhone calendar, what you need to do is go to sync. Of course, I can't spell. sync.google. I cannot spell google.com. Okay. Google Calendar Sync. Right? And then now, once you're here, now you need to select the calendars that you want to be able to access, right? And you want to be able to access on your phone, on your iPhone. And once you've selected that, when you go back into your iPhone settings for your calendar, you'll be able to see that as a calendar to choose from. And let me actually show you how that works real quick, since we have you all here. I don't use the calendar app anymore. I use the Google Calendar app. There's a lot more that I can do with it. But in the iPhone calendar app, what you're going to do is you're going to select calendars down at the bottom. And then now here is where you're going to be able to select the calendar you want to sync. And that's it. And then everything will show up on your phone. Bippity boppity boo. And the great thing is, if whoever is managing the calendar, if they update the Zoom link, they update anything, it will automatically replicate to your phone. How cool is that? So let me know in the comments if this worked for you and if you're using a shared calendar. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget, head on over to my group, Making Tech Simple for Online Entrepreneurs, where I have weekly tech videos going and continued support. And if you are looking to manage your stress and other things, we've got you covered in my Totally Essential community group. All right, have a great day.